In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into a Systeme.io funnel page. Before we get started, make sure you have your Typeform already created and you're logged into both Typeform and Systeme.io on your PC. Our goal is to grab the embed code from Typeform and place it inside a page in Systeme.io so the form appears seamlessly on your site. Begin by opening Typeform on your PC. Once you're in, click the form you want to add to your funnel. This takes you into the form's dashboard where all sharing options live. Look for the Share section and click it. This is where Typeform provides multiple ways to share your form, but for our purposes, choose Embed in a web page. You'll see options for different embed styles. We're going to keep things simple and use the standard method. Click Start Embedding, and Typeform will generate the code you need. Copy the iframe code that appears. This snippet is what makes your form show up on your page, and it's safe to paste because it only displays content from Typeform. Now switch over to Systeme.io on your PC. In the main menu, click Sites, then Funnels to view your funnel list. Find the specific page where you want the form to appear and click that page. Next, click Edit Page to open the visual editor. This is where you control the layout and content your visitors will see. Inside the editor, click Add Element. From the list of elements, choose Raw HTML. This element lets you place custom code exactly where you want it on the page. Click into the HTML field that appears and paste the iframe code you copied from Typeform. You'll usually see a placeholder or preview showing where the form will render. Don't worry if it looks a bit compact inside the editor. The live preview will show the final result. When you're happy with the placement, click Save Changes. Saving ensures your layout and the embedded form code are stored properly. Finally, click Preview. This opens a live view of your page so you can see the Typeform in context. You should now see your form embedded right on the page, ready for visitors to interact with. If you notice spacing or sizing that you'd like to refine, you can return to the editor later to adjust the section or container around the raw HTML element, or update the iframe's dimensions. That's it. You've copied your Typeform iframe and embedded it into your Systeme.io page, saved your changes, and previewed the final result. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined lead capture on your funnel.